For y'all in the sector that does not know how to snipe toons, Kixeye took away the A button, but they did give us something in return. You just got to be a little bit faster at it. When you come up to the toon, you do that, and you hit the move to platoon on top of it, and it automatically attacks. Alright? I don't need to kill them. Alright, retreat. Okay, whenever you're oh, I'm just screwing up today. Alright. There's the one I need. When you're in front of the base, you got all these hexes surrounded. You got that one empty spot. Take this, you hold over the spot, and whenever the toon deploys, you can hit it just like that. Just let go of the key. I had it over the spot, hold it, and just let go of it, and it automatically attack. Maybe this will help. It'll definitely help when you jail enemy in sector. Jailing them, they cannot play. And if you're smarter than they are, they definitely can't play. A lot of these heavy corners and stuff are done. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Good hunting.